welcome to my channel. My name is Shardae Henry. Today you'll be doing a lesson with us with our curriculum for grammar, which is Easy Grammar Grade 1. If you're interested in a video like this, stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and think about subscribing to my channel. Alright guys, so before I take you into our lesson, this is editing Shardae, and I realized that I didn't intro the lesson or anything. So the beauty of video, I want to just go over the notes that they give the instructor before we get started, because if you look at this, it doesn't look like much. So the beautiful thing about this curriculum is that it kind of gives you space for your style and your flair. It doesn't tell you specifically what to say. It tells you what to say, but at the same time gives you space for your own flair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read what the lesson is. We're gonna do day 15. You get to choose to introduce the vocabulary, which is basically what does capitalization mean, punctuation, things of that nature. It tells you in the beginning of the book the specific vocabulary that they want to go over in the curriculum. So by this time, the child should kind of have an idea of what you're talking about when you say capitalize and things of that nature. It's an option to review it at this point. For number 2, which is always in the area of punctuation. For number 2, it says, say the words, look up calmly. Here, the sentence is a command. If we used an exclamation point, we would say it with excitement. So in the lesson, you'll see me say it 2 different ways. For number 3, do you want to add and sometimes why? So for this part, we are going over vowels, and they only say A, E, I, O, U, and it's giving you the option to add sometimes why. If so, use words like by and my, which contain only one vowel. Okay, number 4. Ask students to name the describing word for dog. Black provides a hook for later introducing this concept. The term adjective is not included until the end of the text. At this point, you will decide if students should learn that term. So I decided to go ahead and use it, and you'll see that in the video. So without further ado, here is our lesson. Okay, so here is a lesson of grammar with us. We are on day 15. So while she was working on her vocabulary, I quickly went through and read the pointers that they gave me, topics that I need to make sure that I address. And so when I turn to day 15, I kind of know what we're going to talk about. So this is what we'll be looking at. Each lesson has the capitalization, let's review, punctuation. They introduce some things there and also review. Capitalization as well, they review and then introduce something new sometimes. And then there's the lesson. And then there's a sentence for tracing. And we talk about things in that nature too. Okay, so, all right, capitalization. Make sure we capitalize the name of a day of the week. For example, Friday gets a capital letter. So let's look at the sentence in number 1. Okay, do you want to play on Wednesday? There are 2 things that we need to capitalize.
Wednesday. This.
Okay, so the first letter, in the sentence.
Why is it pointed this way?
And then what else gets capitalized?
And is Wednesday a name?
Can be a name, but it's also a day of the week.
So why don't we need to?
Well, names are proper nouns. They also get capitalized. So whether it's a name or a day of the week, Wednesday gets capitalized.
So why is a street named?
Yep, street names get capitalized too. Okay, here is your punctuation. Remember, place a period after a statement. So, we do not see a bug. That's an example. Here, we're going to make sure we place periods after a command. For example, get up. Now, what if I said, get up? Would that still be a period? Yes. It would be a what? Would it still be a period if I said get up?
No.
The way that I just did, what would it be? Yeah, good job, an exclamation point.
Look.
Okay, so now, A, look up. I didn't say look up with it like that. So, look at me. Look up. How did I say it?
Look up.
Nope, I didn't say it like that. So did I say period look up or did I say exclamation point look up?
Where's my other wish?
Okay. B, look at me. Look how I'm saying it. You're not looking at me.
Do you want me to look at
The bike is new. So did I say period the bike is new or did I say exclamation point the bike is new?
The bike is new? Where's the bike?
Right here. The bike is new. How did I say it? Very good, period. Okay, here's our lesson.
Another one.
We already know the vowels, right? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, but they forgot one.
One. Y.
And sometimes Y. So write your Y. And some words that have the Y in it, because you know every word has to have a consonant and a vowel.
Top of it.
Or a vowel in it. So like, here are some word examples. My and by. Those are used.
And by.
Why? Okay, so trace or write the words in the sentence. I see a black dog. Go ahead and trace it.
Done.
Okay. Which word describes the dog?
The dog.
There's a word that describes the dog. Dog, right. But what word describes the dog?
Black.
Black. Okay, we call those adjectives. Those are describing words. So we'll get a little bit more deeper into that. But any word that describes a noun is an adjective. What's the noun in that sentence?
What's a noun?
A person, place, or thing.
This. I don't know. There's no noun in it.
Person.
Black. Dog.
No, dog. Yeah.
A dog isn't a person.
But it has a heart and beat, and we use the adjective to describe the noun. Okay. All right.
What time?
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down in the comment box, and I'll be sure to answer them if I can. It's a great curriculum. I am really liking how it addresses grammar to the T. It is spiral, but also it is mastery, and it is just all around giving me and my daughter more confidence. If you like this video, again, give it a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.